Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Otnar. I'm continuing the series of Adobe Illustrator tutorials. This tutorial has the goal to show you how to create and add new artboards to existing artboards, how to delete artboards, how to rename the artboards, how to navigate through the artboards, and how you can use the hand tool to move your artboards inside the workspace. Alright, so in order to create or add new artboards to existing artboards, you select the artboard tool. Let's move these artboards to the left, and you just drag with your mouse, pressing the left side of the mouse, dragging a new artboard somewhere within the workspace. In each moment you have the size there on the bottom right. By the cursor you can see the width and height, as you can see. After you release your mouse, the new artboard was added, as you can see. I'm going to add a new artboard in the same way here. All right, and I'm gonna to reposition them, reposition and resize. If you want to change the name, to rename a artboard, you just select the artboard and you go here on the properties panel, where is this artboard, and by name box you type the new name. Let it be here G, and enter. And as you can see, now the name was changed. I'm going to do the same thing for the artboard 21. So I delete the old name, and I type the new name. Let it be H. All right, enter. And the new name appeared here, as you can see. Also, it's very easy to delete an artboard. You just select the artboard and press the delete key, and the artboard, as you can see, was deleted. There is another option, like select the artboard, and here is this icon. When you go with your cursor above the icon, there will appear that message in that white box, delete artboard. So press this icon and your artboard will be deleted. Also, you can duplicate your artboard. If I want to duplicate this C artboard, just I select the artboard, press the Alt key for Windows or Option key for the Macintosh, and drag the artboard you want to duplicate. Yeah, I'm going to duplicate this F artboard as well. Press Alt key for Windows and Option for Macintosh, and drag the artboard. Yeah. And in this way you can duplicate artboards. And if you have a look here, where is the name of the artboard, on the top left, you will see here is written a copy. So that means it's a copy of C artboard. Obviously you can change this. You can go here and change this. You can write another name, like let it be G, enter, and the name was changed. Also, there is another option to delete an artboard. Select the artboard, and here you have this button, artboard options, and press the delete button, and the artboard is deleted, as you can see. If you want to delete the work, what it was on that artboard, select the selection tool, select the letter, and press delete. All right. Select the artboard tool, and let's delete this artboard as well, and the letter. All right. Now, how you can navigate through your artboard? Select the artboard tool. The simplest way to navigate through your artboard is your mouse. Yeah, you just click on the artboard you want to work with the mouse, and the artboard will be selected. Now, how you know which artboard is selected? Yeah, I selected this artboard A01A. and you can see this dashed blue line, which this artboard is framed. Yeah, so that means your artboard was selected. Yeah, and you just click on the artboard and your artboard will be selected. Yeah. Another way to navigate through your artboards is to use the Artboards panel. Click on Window and click on Artboards here. And this Artboards panel will be launched. I'm going to drag it here on the right side. And you just click on the artboard you want to be selected, like B. And now, as you can see, the B artboard is selected, C, D, E, and F. Also, as you can see, here is an order, yeah, in this list. You can change this order if you want. Now I selected the A artboard. I've got these arrows here. If I want to move down the A artboard on the third position, just click on move down arrow, and now the A artboard is on third position, as you can see. If I want to move it back, I use the move up arrow, and this artboard now is on the first position again. But as you could see, the order of the artboards within the workspace wasn't changed. Just we changed here on this list the order. Yeah. Also, you can use the mouse to change here in this list the order of your artboards. I selected the F artboards and I drag like on the second position. Yeah, and now as you can see, F is here on the second position. Yeah, if I want to move it back, just click on the artboard and drag it on the sixth position. All right, I can move a group of the artboards. Press the Control key and select another artboard like E and D, and now I move all three artboards. Yeah, and I want them to be on the first three position. Yeah, that means I'm gonna to move them. You can see their blue line, and that blue line will show you where these artboards will be placed. Now I'm going to place it here on the top, and now D, E, and F artboards are on the first three position. Yeah. All right. If I want to fit in all these artboards again, I go on the view, click on view, and click on fit all in the window. Now all six artboards are fit in the window within work space. So if I want, I can use this icon here to delete the artboards. I can create new artboards, yeah, using this icon here. Yeah, as you can see, when I go with my cursor above this icon, that the box with the message new artboard appeared. So it's telling you what that icon is for. Yeah, so it's quite easy. And where your artboard will be placed. If you if I select the 6 artboard, the C artboard, that means the next one will be the new artboard, the 7. Yeah, so I click this icon, and on the 7th position, as you can see, this artboard 24 was created, and it appeared here, as you can see. I press again, another artboard 25 was created, as you can see, and was placed next to artboard 24. You can change this, you can reposition the artboard 25, yeah, using the mouse. You always look for the center, yeah, for the center inside your panel, these purple axes to be in the center of the artboard. Okay, also I can use this delete icon to delete artboards as well. Yeah, I select the artboards and click on delete, and now my artboard was deleted. Now I want to delete as well the artboard 24. Click on select the here in this list, this artboards panel, the artboard 24, and click on this delete icon, and the artboard was deleted, as you can see. I'm going to create a new artboard. Click on this icon, yeah, and I can rename this artboard. Either I'm using this icon, click on it, yeah, this artboard options is launched, and here I'm going to type G. I'm going to rename this artboard with G and click on OK button, and the name was changed, as you can see, yeah. Also, I can give a double click on the selected artboard, yeah, and I'm able to rename it like H and enter. All right, click on view, click on fit all in window. I'm going to remove this with a click on this icon, yeah. All right, I can place this artboard somewhere else, for example here, if I want, with the mouse, yeah. Now when this blue line appeared, and on the right side you can see a background blue color, you just release your mouse and your panel will be placed here, yeah. I'm gonna go on these essentials, and I'm going to reset. So I want my workspace to be the same as it was before. So let's now to rearrange the artboards. To do so, you will go on this button and click on it, rearrange all, and this dialog window will appear. Now these artboards, the layout is grid by row. The next one is grid by column, and here the columns were changed with rows, as you can see. Click, and now as you can see, the layout was rearranged, yeah, because now it's grid by columns. So we've got 3 rows, yeah, 1, 2, 3, and columns, yeah. Here the layout will be arranged by row if I click on this icon, okay, a single row, yeah, as you can see. Also very important is layout order. Now this is organized from left to right, yeah, and another one is right to left. So if I click on this or click on OK, as you can see, now the layout order was rearranged, yeah, because now I clicked this arrow, which the order is organized from right to left, as you can see. And the last artboard created now is the first in this order. I'm going to rearrange all back, yeah, okay, click on rearrange all, and now if I click this icon, this layout will be arranged by a single column, okay, and now I've got a single column. Also I can use again this artboards panel, yeah. Here also I've got this rearrange all artboards. If I click on this icon, the same dialog windows is launched, as you can see, yeah, and I can rearrange the layout now by a row and 3 columns, but I'm gonna to change this with 2 columns, okay, yeah, and now this was rearranged, as you can see, yeah. So I've got now the layout is arranged by row, and I've got 2 columns, yeah. I can change this, and I type 3, and now it is organized on 3 columns, Yeah, as you can see, also I can change the space between artboards. Okay, I'm going to type 20, click on OK, and as you can see now the space between these artboards were increased. Also, you can use the hand tool to move all these artboards within workspace. Yeah, just press the H key, and here the hand tool was selected, as you can see. Now I can use this hand tool to move these artboards within my workspace. Yeah, if I click on this white arrow and I keep pressed the finger on my left of the mouse, yeah, as you can see here I've got the zoom tool and hand tool. Yeah, so if I press Z, now I selected the zoom tool. Yeah, if I press H, now here is selected the hand tool. I press the Z, it selected the zoom tool. Now I press again the H key and the hand tool is selected now, and I can move these artboards within my workspace very easy. Yeah, I'm going to select again the artboard tool. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.